This is the Meerkat here at freeonlinetradingeducation.com, brought to you by Grok Trade, where I'm an analyst, host of the Grokstar Trading Room, and perhaps your future mentor. Hey, let's talk about a trade we had in the Grokstar Room this morning, one of the trades of the day, and it was on CLCD. Now, this sucker was kabooming. It was, I think it was some drug trials or something. I don't know. I don't care. I just want to trade well and make money. And at the time of this recording here, at 12:15 here in the Eastern Time Zone, look at it. It's up 103%, 102%. Woo! But it wasn't quite. It was up, but not quite that much here at opening. And this line here is at opening, and it began to fall down and started to form what we call a bear pullback. If you want to know what a bear pullback is, just go to our site, freeonlinetradingeducation.com, right up here to Chart School. It's free. And over here under Trading Patterns, under the bearish side, we want to do a bear pullback, also called a pullback sell. And if you look at it here, it comes down, it runs up, hits its head on the line of resistance, and starts to roll down. If it does that, that's a bearish setup. The odds are now in our favor. And here's just a couple of here's some written description of it, and then down here are a couple of examples from daily charts. I'm going to be showing it to you on a 1 minute day trading chart though, but those are ones that have turned out before. So let's take a look here at this one on CLCD, and it fell down here and it came up and hit its head on this 8 EMA exponential moving average and starting to roll down. Set a trader here ready to go short if it continued down, and bam, I'm in. I'm in at 1883. I'm short, and then it immediately climbed all the way down here to 1820 and then started to bounce around here. So I'm bringing my stop just in the money here, and it's rolling around down here around the 1820, 1830 area, and that is cool. And then it started to pop up here, and did not stop me out there, and I'm still in it. And bam, look at that, fell below $18 here, $18 mark, bam. And so now it's underneath this $18 mark. I went ahead and I took out half here at $18.98 for 4.5% on the first half. And so I'm going to bring my second half stop here just above this 8 EMA, which had been hitting here before. And sure enough, what happened? Boom, right there, stopped me out. It went all the way up here to 1845, but it did stop me out on the second half at 1828 for 2.9%. So let's take a look at this total trade. It was a quickie. It was a bear pullback, came down here, and it was floating, and it did another mini bear pullback when it fell below $18. I went ahead and I took out half, and then it began to rise. So I put my stop just above this line of resistance. It broke it, and I was out. So total trade was for 3.7% in 13 minutes. Ooh, I love it when that happens. With our model portfolio, that ended up being about $370 in 13 minutes on that trade. In fact, in the Grokstar Room today, we were 8 out of 16 called trades. We were at 11.6% on our return on risk, and as far as our net gain in our model portfolio of trading $10,000 per lot size, that would equate to about $1,160 for 3 hours worth of work this morning in the Grokstar Room. Not bad work if you can get it. Hey, and if you'd like to learn to trade the Grok Trade way, there's 2 ways you can do that. One, you can go to our site, groktrade.com, groktrade.com. Now, this is the way to get started in the process. If you look right down here, number 1, you can get our 101 trading courses, and that we send you, there's 6 tutorials. They're 20 minutes or less. I just re-recorded them, so they're right up to date on their information. We email them to you about every other day once you get started there. So hit, fill your information here and hit submit. And you can also get started by just doing what we call a Meet the Mentor. You can attend it live right here. You can do that, or down here on our calendar, you can see that we have one coming up Wednesday the 7th here at 3 o'clock. Des is doing a special one there just to meet the mentor. And again, 20 minutes is what we're going to try to hold it to. So we're not planning a big, huge, long webinar and all that. Just find out what is our mentoring program and how it may benefit you and your trading. I mean, are you looking to find out how to get into trades to the penny when the odds are in your favor? Are you looking to see where should I place my stop, or how many shares should I buy, and also where should I get out? These are all things that we cover in our mentoring program in detail, so you can develop a trading system that works for you. So right there, you can hit this link here, and you can get signed up there, or you can come up here and click there. So 2 ways to go. You can look at the tutorials first, or you can come right to our Meet the Mentor webinar. This is the Meerkat here. Hey, just remember that, as Jack from the Grok Trading Room says, change your frame of mind from predictability to probabilities and increase your profitability. Trade well.